Good afternoon, Mr. Oke. My name is Fira and I'm going to present a presentation about mise from Food Production 1. Before that, please let me introduce myself. My name is Fira Ananda from NIM of 00000777869 from Class B of Hotel Operation from Faculty of Business and Management in Universitas Multimedia Nusantara. For that, please let me give some table of content and my introduction to mise en place, cutting ingredients, measurement unit, preliminary, conclusion, and additional notes. So please let me introduce to mise en place. So as the preparation, especially for the first step in the preparation of dishes or products, known as everything put in place. And there's a sentence that a good mise en place is half the cooking. It will depend on the presentation or the product of the cooking. So why there's a mise en place? Because too much work to be done in the kitchen to pull off until the last minute, when there's so much to do. Most foods are at their best quality as soon as they are prepared, and their quality will decrease when stored. So what is the goal of the mise en place? The goal of the mise en place is to do the work ahead of time as much as possible without losing quality. So at the time of serving, all efforts are used to complete each item immediately before serving, with full attention to quality and freshness. So there's the indicator of mise en place, and there's 3 indicators: it's the right ingredients, right tools, and right equipment. This element will organize the cost, control, quality, food waste, and method, especially for cooking method. So there's the cutting method of ingredients, and the first one that may be the indicator of the special indicator of the cutting ingredient is the knife. Chef knives or French knife is cooked most important and versatile cutting tools. Unless you are cutting a large quantity, a knife can cut faster. Many kinds of knife for different purpose, such as French knife or chef's knife, paring knife, slicer, butcher knife, clamp knife, utility knife, boning knife, serrated slicer, cleaver, and vegetable peeler. While sharpening the knife, whether you will use stone or steel sharpener, it must be 20 degrees far from the sharpener to the knife, like something like this. While you cut the ingredients, you must use the bare claw like this while handling the ingredients to cut. So there's some basic cuttings that I have practiced in Food Production 1 in lab, and there's jardiniere, julienne, paysan, dice, macédoine, brunoise, wedges, slice, thin slice, chop, and the last one is mince. So there's measurement units, and there's 2 kinds of measurement units that has been used in this world. There's US, British, and Australia system, and the last one is metric system that is in Indonesia. From the length of US, British, and Australia system, there's mile, feet, yard, and inch. For the volume itself, it has gallon, pin, quart, cup, and teaspoon or tablespoon. From the weight that used in the system is pound and ounce. And the last one is the temperature, while they will use Fahrenheit. For the metric system, we will use a kilometer, meter, and centimeter for the length. For the volume, we will use liter and cc. For the weight or mass in metric system, we will use kilogram or gram. And the last one is temperature that we will use in metric system is Celsius. So there's a conversion of US system measurement unit that you may saw in this presentation, like 1 pound is 16 ounces, 1 gallon is 4 quarts, 1 quart is 2 pints, 1 pint is 2 cup, 1 cup is 8 FL ounce, 1 FL ounce is 2 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon is 3 teaspoons, 1 foot is 12 inches. While the conversion of metric system is weight, volume and length and temperature is as seen as this presentation. And the next subtitle is preliminary cooking. Preliminary cooking is advanced preparation that requires a degree of culinary skill and judgment, because this partial cooking needs to determine the indicator of necessity and desired cooking, especially for products. So there's 5 techniques of partial cooking. It was simmering, boiling, steaming, deep frying for the epidermis of the partial cooking, but the deep side of the partial cooking is blanching. So what is blanching? Blanching is as simple as a very brief cooking, and the purpose of blanching is saving time while cooking, increase holding qualities, remove undesirable flavor, especially protein like chicken, seafood, or other meat, and enable the product to be processed future. And the last one of the preliminary cooking is frying preparation. In preparation of frying, you must need 3 preparation. The first one is breading, the second one is dredging, and the third one is batters. So what is the conclusion that we have in this presentation? So the conclusion is the mise en place is important to increase the efficiency of cooking, especially in dining. There are some preparation elements of mise en place such as cutting, especially knife method, measurement, and preliminary cooking. So there's additional notes that I have give to you, that I have the inspiration from this video is a mise en place from 2-Star John in YouTube. They have such a perfect mise en place from my opinion, since they have clean, perfect and good measurement, especially in their quality of the ingredients. And that's all for my information. Thank you for watching, and I hope that cooks will better if you have plans. Thank you.